intersection point of a circle and a line. We have here an example of a circle and a line. Okay, x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 4. Okay, the center of this is positive 2 and negative 3, and the radius is 4, and the line negative 2x minus 2y minus 1 equals 0. How to solve for the intersection of this? First is we will expand this equation, and then we will solve the value of x here. Take the value of x, substitute to the x of this equation. Okay, so first we have to expand x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals 4. Okay, so let's rearrange x squared plus y squared, then x minus 4x y plus 6y, and then constant we have 4, 9 and 4. This will become 0, and plus 9 equals 0. Okay, and we have negative 2x minus 2y minus 1 equals 0. So negative 2x, that is equal to 2y plus 1. Divide both sides by negative 2. X will be negative 2y divided by negative 2, that is negative y minus 1/2. This will be the value of x. Substitute here in the value of x, and then x. Okay, so negative y minus 1/2 squared plus y squared minus 4 times the value of x minus y minus 1/2, and then continue, plus 6y plus 9 equals 0. So all of the values now in terms of y. So we will solve this, and it will produce a quadratic equation. Okay, then after quadratic we will solve for the value of the roots. Okay, square of the first term, and then plus twice the first term and the second term. We have 2 times 1/2, that is 1. Okay, times y, that is y, plus y, plus 1/4. Okay, square of 1/2, that is 1/4. Continue, plus y squared, then multiply negative 4 times negative y. We have plus 4y, and then it will become plus 2. Okay, 4 times 1/2 is 2. Continue, plus 6y plus 9 equals 0. You have y squared, 2y squared. We have y, and then y. So 6 plus 4, that is 10, plus 1, 11, plus 11y. And then constant, we have 1/4, 2 and 9. Okay. 9 plus 2 plus 1/4, 0.25. We have 45 over 4. 45 over 4, that is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation, and let's solve for the value of the roots. Okay, so y1, y2, and from this, using calculator, we have 5 and then 3. Okay, so 2, 11 and 45 divided by 4 equals. So your y is negative 1.358, and the other one is negative 4.142. 4.142. Okay, return it, mode 1. So now using this, we will compute for the value of x. So if y is negative 1.358, the value of x is, that is negative y negative 1.358. minus, okay, negative minus 1/2, like this. Okay, so it will become 1.358 minus 0.5. It's 0.8858. Okay, 0.858. Okay, the other one, x will be negative of negative 4.142 minus 1/2. So it will become 4.142 and then minus 0.5, 3.642. So the intersection point of this circle and the line, we have x and the y. Okay, do not interchange this. That is 0.86 and 1.36 negative. And the other one is we have 3.64 and negative 4.40. So this is the intersection point. Okay. Now, in the board exam, okay, if you cannot follow this solution, what you can do is this intersection point, you have to substitute the value of x and y to the equation. So substitute, for example, from the choices, substitute the value of x here, then y, it should be equal to 4. And the same also, if x is this one, 3.64, and y is this, it should be equal to 4. If both match, then that would be the answer. Okay. Next, we have how to compute for the x and y intercept of the circle. X and the y intercept of a circle. Okay, how to solve for the x and y intercept? First thing to do is we let x equal 0, then compute for the value of y. Okay, and then let y equal 0, compute for the value of x. Okay, first one, if x equals 0, the equation remaining will be y squared minus 2y minus 11 equals 0. So this is a quadratic, and using calculator we have mode 5, 3, and we have 1 minus 2 and minus 11 equals, we have y1 equals 4.46 and y2 equals negative 2.46. So this is the y-intercept. If we let y equal 0, okay, this will be 0, the remaining is x. So x squared plus 4x minus 11 equals 0. Quadratic equation, we have 1, 4 minus 11 equals, and the x will be 1.87 and x2 is negative 5.87. Okay, so the x and y intercept the circle is something like this, and this is x 1.87, this is y 4.46, this is y2 negative 2.46, okay, and the other x negative 5.87. Okay, so that is the x and y intercept. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And next video we will discuss about the parabola. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching.